Hello everyone, this is Ambesh, your computer science and IT lecturer. Here, I am going to explain a Java program to find the factorial of a number by taking input from the console. That means this program is able to take input from the user and it will respond accordingly. So to make it interactive, what we have to do is we have to use the pre-built scanner class. Okay, and the scanner class is already available in java.util package that we have to import from our Java library. So I have run this program in NetBeans IDE. Okay, so I have given the package name as factorial. Okay, so in the next line I have written the code import java.util scanner. This line is used to import the scanner class from the java.util package. Okay, so since I have taken the package name as factorial, my class name is also factorial. Okay, which will be public by default because main function is already present in my class factorial. Okay, so now I am going to explain you the logic. I have taken two variables here. First one is I, next one is factorial. Okay, these two variables are of integer type and already I have initialized the variable factorial with 1. So in the next step what we have to do is, since we have import the class scanner, so the constructor of this class requires the source from which input is to be taken. Okay, and since we will take input from the console, we have to use the object system.in. Okay, we have to use the object system.in. So under the scanner object I have taken the reference variable user input. Okay, so what I have to input from the keyboard, that will be saved in the user input. Okay, and in the next line I have written system.out.println, enter the number which factorial you want to find. This message will be prompt on our monitor screen. Okay, then we have to enter a number. Look at the next line, string required number equal to user input dot next. So we have to invoke the method next, which is in the scanner class. Okay, and this next method will return the input stream as a string object. Okay, for that reason I have mentioned here the variable required number as string. So whatever we entered from the keyboard, all those data are treated as string data type. Okay, so again we have to convert this string data into integer type. So for that reason what we have to do is we have to use the static method pass integer. Okay, we have to use the static method pass integer, and we have to input that string data in our arguments. Okay, in the argument section of pass integer method. So it will convert that string data into integer type. Whatever we entered here, we have entered here is in the form of integer accordingly. That means for us. Okay, but the Java compiler treat all these things as string type. Okay, so for that reason we are converting this data into the form integer. Okay, for that reason here I have taken integer number equal to integer dot pass integer and within bracket required number. Okay, so the pass integer function will convert the number which is saved in required number into integer form, and it will be saved in the variable number. Okay, so now I have taken the for loop. Okay, so within for loop what I have written here is I have initialized the variable I as 1. Next, I less than equal to number. Number means the number whatever I have entered from the keyboard. Okay, next I plus plus, that means after executing each step the variable I will increase its value. Okay, next fact is equal to fact into I. So the for loop will test the variable I, that will test the value of variable I after executing each step, and it will work when the value of the I will same as the value of number. Okay, so each step will be executed after incrementing the value of I. For that reason we have mentioned I plus plus here. Okay, and finally after executing we will get the value, that means our required result. After executing the statement system.out.println, okay, and within that what we have written here, factorial of the number is factorial. So when we will execute, after executing we will get this one, enter the number whose factorial you want to find, and here I have given the input as 6, and the program have shown the result here as factorial of 6 is 720. Okay, so thank you for watching this video.